I'm just going to do a quick review of some business cards. They're free ones you can get, so it's really good if maybe you're just starting out and you want a cheap business card, or maybe you just want to test out the quality. So I came across these from Banana Print, and you could get 50 free business cards, and you only pay for the postage and packaging. So they are totally free. Obviously, after the post packaging, the actual cards are free. So I got them. They come in a little box like this. I just ordered the 50. And this is my one. They do have a little bit on the back. Designed online and printed for free at bananaprint.co.uk. So they have their branding on the back. You can pay extra to get it blank. But if you just want to test it out, like I say, it's a really good way of testing it. You can get little extras for it, like you can get a gloss finish and stuff, but the basic ones are free. And this doesn't actually, I just got the pure basic ones, and there's no finish on them, but it's still got like a matte sheen to it. Actually, it kind of looks more like a satin sheen, and they're really soft. And another thing is, they're actually quite thick for free ones. The only other free ones I've tried before is Vistaprint. This was ages ago, and they were actually quite rubbish. They were just like normal card that you could print off. Obviously better quality than a home printer, but the feel of it just felt like that. But yeah, so I got the 50, and actually when I opened these, I think there was actually slightly more than 50, because I did actually count them. But yeah, they are actually really good quality. The print comes out really well on them. So I don't know, it's not going to focus, is it? Going to focus? It's not going to focus, but it is really clear. I actually just designed this in Canva. You can use pre-made designs on their website and just add your information in, and they'll print it, and you can add your own logo into that as well. So there's all different ones you can try out, but I done mine from scratch in Canva. I just looked on the website, looked at the sizes I needed, and just made mine for that. So yeah, these are good. I recommend these. So I'll probably be buying more, and maybe next time customizing them again. So I've got something else of mine on the back rather than their own thing. But yeah, I just wanted to test out the quality, to be honest, because you never know with gift cards, with business cards. Sometimes you kind of think most business cards are going to be the same, but they're not. The quality does change from people to people. Like I say, the Vistaprint ones, they may have got better recently, but when I tried them, they were rubbish. And also, I don't know if they're still doing this, but I got this card in there as well. So you can order another, if you, what should I start with first? I'll explain it first. That'll make more sense. They're offering free delivery if you write a review. So you go to Trustpilot and leave a review and put your order number in there for reference, and they'll send you a code for free delivery, which you can use on an order then. So you can, if you wanted to order more or order leaflets or something, you can get free delivery, or you can use them on another set of free cards. So it works with the free cards as well. You can order another 50, put in the code, and you don't even have to pay for postage and packaging then. It's completely free. So you can get 100 cards just for the one postage and packaging, really. So I actually did do that, but I wanted to test out some other colours, because these are, it's like, there is obviously colour on there and everything, but I wanted to see what a full colour one looked like. So I actually did get some more free ones for my merch store. And yeah, the colours actually came out quite vibrant, because like the background was actually fairly pastel. It wasn't like a bright rainbow or anything. Actually, I thought it was going to come out slightly lighter than that, but I like the colours actually do really pop. So actually happy with those. And again, they'll have the branding on the back if you get the free ones. So I'd say these are really good and it's worth checking out. Like I say, if you're just starting out, we just want to test out them because they are good, I think, personally. They're like, I can't believe how thick they are as well. Because like I say, these were the basic ones. They do other ones as well. And you can get different shaped ones, you can get square ones and stuff. But these are the basic ones, and the basic are pretty good. So yeah, that's just my opinion. Not sponsored or anything. Just thought I'd give out this useful tip and a little review on the free and business cards. So don't want anyone like wasting money. And it's just, yeah, like I say, it's a good way of like just testing them. Not everyone gives out free gift cards as a tester. Some people just give out sample packages like with all different like bits and stuff in it, which is good as well, but you can actually see how your stuff is going to come out. Anywho, that's it, just a quick video. Hope you found it interesting or helpful, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Make up patchwork of our choice, scraps of love that time employs.